Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing this. I don't know what it's called. I just call it Orange Man. We were trying to do another video but it failed because the Lego set was broken that I was going to do. But this looks like a car but it's personally not. I forgot to turn it on. That happens. So, I got absolutely no idea why it does that, but here's a controller on, and there are a few things on here. There's this, which makes it go forwards or backwards, this one, sideways, or makes it go different ways. This is to turn it into a person, and then that's to turn it back into a car. I'm just turning it to a person, and then a car. Person. And going forward. Let's see. I will try to get it back in place. Ow! It's very hard to control, and I got it a few years ago. Perfect. I got it a few years ago. You can do this if you press the car button, the button that turns it into a car while it's a car, and you can do that if you want. And if you want the lights to stay on, they just stay on. That's not with the car mode though. Ow! I really don't know what to do because I didn't have any plan of this. This is really satisfying, this noise. Well, the mirrors on the car, they're blurry. My favourite part of it is when these come out like this and go back in. That's probably my favourite part about it. Well, about the transformation anyway. Oh, and the cat's over there. Staring at me. This is really satisfying. But the Lego set that we're going to do was this. Or we're going to finish the video because we already did half of it. And there's a blue thing there, but there's not a blue thing there. So, yeah. Woo! I wish you could turn the sound down on this. I wish you could turn the sound down on it. There's not much you can do with it, unless you had a really big ramp. And that's going to end the video. Bye-bye!